And this is should be the 3-2, if I'm not mistaken. We'll see in a second. I guess that's one bedroom right over here. Bath. This will probably be so this is the 1-1. Okay, 1-1-1. Okay, thanks. So one bedroom here, bath, and we have the kitchen and the living area. So that's a 1 bedroom. And then I have the next one, which I think is the 3-2. We'll see in a second. That's 3-2. All right, no problem. Thank you. Okay, obviously you can see a much bigger unit here. Okay, let's just stand over here. But easier to kind of understand the layout. So we have the kitchen over here on my my right, and we have 1 bedroom over there, another bedroom over there behind it, and a 3rd bedroom over there, where we have the bathroom, closet over here. So that will service those 2 bedrooms, this one and this one. And this is the laundry. So we got the laundry over here. And that's a service room, or yeah. And then we have a machine, or probably water heater. HVAC will probably be here, and a half bath probably. Closet and a full bath over here. Sorry for this. Sometimes it gets a little bit confusing when you look at the rooms, but they're not ready. So this is, like I said, approximately 3 months from completion.